Hi there. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the port of the rewriter tool that I did for Jade, which is a GemStone client. With the rewriter tool, you can roll your own refactorings. The rewriter tool is a parse-tree matcher, so you can build rules to match an abstract syntax tree and replace that abstract syntax tree with another abstract syntax tree. This is not a textual search and replace. For example, here we have a method which use curly brackets. Curly brackets are not supported by all Smalltalks. So we are going to build a rule to match all methods that use curly brackets and build another rule to replace this with a traditional definition of an array. Here we have the rules. This is going to match the three argument method that define the arrays with curly brackets, and it's going to be replaced with this that use the traditional array definition. We click here on replace. Now GemStone is searching for matches for this abstract syntax tree definition. And here we have the result of this code transformation. For example, here we have a method, and here is the curly bracket array, and this is the new code for that method, which use the traditional array definition. So we can apply all the transformations, we can roll back, we can remove a method from this list, and for example, we are going to check agent get identity. With this, we are going to accept this method, apply, and here we have the new code formations. The rewriter tool is a very powerful tool to perform code transformations. It's not based in textual search and replace. It is based in abstract syntax tree matcher.